So I just come back from NAPTIP now, and I did check through Twitter. Now I see say the National Broadcasting Commission have barred Nigerian radio and television station from airing the trending song "Tell Your Papa" by veteran rapper Idris Abdulkarim. I rush go Idris Abdulkarim page, and I see say NBC send a message say they don't ban the song. This song he just released a few days ago, where he say, "Sheyi, tell your papa say country hard. Tell your papa say people dey buy." So you people don't want to hear it on the station, and una no say that true. Say the country no hard, say people know they buy, and this is what we are going to do now. That first this thing, first of all, we don't even need radio. How many people they hear radio and they watch TV? That's by the way. We are going to take it over by social media. Dear Idris Abdulkarim, you are going to shoot another video. This time we will sponsor it. And I go dey inside the video. We go find person who resemble Bola Ahmed Tinubu, since we no fit get the real president. We go find who resemble the president. He go sit down for the video. We go do the video remix. We go dance for inside our video. Tell your papa part 2. Then we will come highlight other problems. That is to say, these people listen to what is going on in Nigeria, but they don't want to act. Then when you talk, they want to control the media so that you don't get the voice, and this voice don't exceed what they want it to exceed. Well, what do you expect? Presidents come out, go France. You go France. French president come out from France, go Egypt. That means the French president no even send you. I just see am for Rufai page, Rufai for Arise page for Twitter. I bust laugh. Imagine Nigerian president enter country, the president of the country no even feel acknowledge. He carry himself, they go Egypt. Sheyi, tell your papa. Now real truth be that. Nobody they fear anybody. The country is hard. Business are crumbling. A lot of people are suffering. People are crying. People they buy. Even though you don't want to do anything, do security for us. I see women for Oregun, where they call that place yesterday. See them. They the chance yesterday, they cry for insecurity. Edo, even the North, they get full and herdsmen issues. A lot of places where they buy people. Let me not say Fulani herdsmen, because there are a lot of good Fulani people. And there are a lot of herdsmen that are good. Let me say they're having a lot of terrorist issues that may be disguising as Fulani herdsmen. Do you understand? Because like I said, some of these people say some innocent one day, but we don't generalize them, which is a problem. So, dear Idris Abdulkarim, listen to me, my brother. You're going to shoot that music again. And this time we'll post it on social media. I will also post it on my page, because I'll be appearing on that video. Prepare yourself. If you're there, Abuja, abeg, Egbo, let me know. More come. Sheyi, tell your papa, country hard. Tell your papa everything where Idris Abdulkarim say me they tell him. Tell him, because the country is hard. And anybody that have a problem with that song at the NBC, at whatsoever, may gonna also send the message to them. Say country hard. Puppets. You all better don't play.